5 tips for auditioning video. Tip number 1, researching and taking notes. When you get to the website of the school that you want to audition for, make sure that you carefully read the guideline, that you know all the requirements and take notes so you don't confuse the requirement for each school that you want to audition for. That way, you make sure that you follow the guidelines, because if you don't follow the guidelines, there is a big chance that your video might not be seen or watched. Once you know what to do for each school, you need to make sure that the video is no longer than 20 minutes. Let's say that you're gonna keep it between 10 and 15 minutes long. In case that one of the schools that you are trying to audition for or record your video doesn't have any specific length for the video, then make sure that you keep it between 10 and 12 minutes. No more than that. Because remember, there is a lot of people that are going to be sitting behind that screen to watch your video, and you want to keep it as short as possible. Now, don't freak out. This is going to be really easy to do, showing just one side of each exercise. Make sure that you have pliés, show your right side, and then you're going to do tendus and show the left side. Now, don't record yourself giving backs to the camera, okay? But we're gonna be talking about in another tip. Now, tip number 3, step and level of the exercise. Make sure that you know which exercise to show in the video. Some schools, for example, the Royal School, they have a specific guideline. This is the exercise that you're gonna show me, and you're gonna show me 4 badminton do, forward to the side to the back, plus a port de bras. Now, you can't go away from that guideline because they told you what they want to see. But if another school don't really show you the exercise how they want to see it, they're only telling you I want 4 tendu forward to the side and to the back, make sure that those tendu, the rhythm of the music is slow according to your own level, so you don't go above your expectations or the teacher's expectation behind the screen, so they can be fairly giving you the position that you deserve. Now, tip number 4, recording time. And this is when we are going to talk about the position of the camera and the angles that you're going to be recording. For example, if the school that you're going to record the video for doesn't tell you or doesn't specify that they want you facing the bar the entire time, then a little bit angle to the camera so they can see your underoars, they can see the way you close to 5th position, or if you are in your développé à la seconde, that your pelvis not tilt, okay? Something important when recording is to make sure that it's only you on the video and only you in the studio. No more voices, no more bodies walking around, just you. Make sure that the entire studio is clean, no clutters, there is not shoes around, just you, the camera, and the bar. The video doesn't need to be high definition or 4K or the professional cameraman behind controlling everything. You can record with an iPhone. No one is saying you can't record with an iPhone, but make sure that whatever angle or whatever camera that you use to record yourself, you can see your entire body. When you extend your arm to 5th position, to a la seconde or derrière, they need to be able to see your entire body, okay? And my last tip for you is your dance wear and your hairstyle. Gotta be simple. You don't need to get creative and glitters and a lot of makeups and shiny dresses. Nope, very simple. Ties that go well with your skin tone. Same with the color of leotard. I would recommend a black leotard because everything looks really skinny and long. But you can wear something else, but a plain color. Don't make it with flowers and something that's going to distract the teacher behind the camera. Now, shoes, clean. If you have point shoes, make sure that they are not in the scene when you're not using them, and then you will bring them back into the video. That would be fine. Your hairstyle, simple. Everything goes straight back. Very simple. Ballet band, neat and well done. Simple makeup. If you can avoid to put makeup, better, but if you would like to put some, as simple as possible. If you have any other questions about auditioning videos, let me know in the comments down below, and I will prepare another video for you if you would like to. I can also give you some examples of exercises that you can do according to different levels on the bar, center, and allegro. If you would like to see a whole class demonstrating how it could be edited and done the exercises for an audition video, also let me know in the comments down below. I will see you next time. Good luck with your auditions.